The reason I stopped you, you don't have a license plate on your car?
Well, I know, I was getting that right now. Like, I was in the process of getting it.
Oh, okay. Do you have a registration for your car?
I don't, I left it at home.
Okay. Do you have, because I gotta confirm like it's not stolen or anything. Do you have your license on you?
I don't. I
Okay.
don't have it. I actually put it under my sister's name.
Okay. Do you have a license?
I got my license
Suspended?
suspended.
What's your name? What's your last name? Your birthday? Okay. I'm gonna just open the door to get the VIN.
Okay.
Because it's on the door. Okay. Can you write on the back?
301-1086, I'll handle tag 578.
Who's in the car with you?
Okay, well, you have to...
Oh. Are they able to roll it down? Hi, how you guys doing? You should be open. Do you have a license then? No. Do you know where the VIN is out here? Oh, yes. Right here. No, it's not even right. It's tires.
Video control to broadcasting the UI vehicle 178 Union. Flashing southbound on Ratio Wind pickup. Give me information control.
Should be right. I got it. Does anyone with a license able to come?
Yeah, his mother's coming. His
Okay.
son.
Okay. His mom's coming?
Yeah.
Okay. Because I can't let you drive without a license.
Okay.
But if you could give them a call to come, or else like I have to tow the car if you don't have a license. And I don't want to tow your car for 30 days. You have a baby back here.
Yeah.
You know. All right. Well, I'll be right back. Okay. A firm occupied. Driver! Driver! Roll down the window! Turn off the vehicle!
Barberton. Barberton, copy.
3 Metro 1, failure to yield.
Copy, failure to yield. 52, we're almost with them.
We're going to be southbound MLK, approaching Texas. Speeds are going to be 50, no traffic, no pets.
Southbound MLK, no traffic, no pets.
3 Metro 1, we're still southbound MLK. Approaching Brandage. 901T, 901T, Brandage and MLK.
901T, Brandage and MLK, traffic is start that way.
998, 998. Hey! Come here! Come here! 3 Metro 1, 998. We're gonna be running. Put the gun down! Put the gun down! Put the gun down! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Come here! 3 Metro 1, he's running. Southbound. Drop the gun! Put your hands in the air! 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 Put your... Don't do it, man! Don't do it! Put your hands in the air. Let me see your hands. Stop. Put your hands in the air. Put your hands in the air. Put. 3 Metro 1, he's still southbound. He's armed with a firearm. He's running in the middle of the street. He has a firearm in his right hand. Let me see your hands.
We have visual on the map. He's going to be eastbound towards black shirt, black shorts.
Hey!
From no shots fired by.
Stop! Get out the car! Get out of this car! Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Drop the gun!
Get on the ground!
Drop the gun!
Drop it!
Drop the gun!
Drop it!
Drop the gun! Drop the gun!
998, subject still armed.
Drop the gun!
Subject still armed.
Drop it!
Drop the gun! Drop the gun!
Gun!
Drop the gun!
Gun!
Drop the gun!
Bitch!
Drop the gun!
Last on location.
Drop the gun!
We're at the fifth market.
Drop the gun!
Bitch!
Drop the gun! Drop the gun!
Drop the gun!
52, the subject has the firearm to his head.
Drop the gun!
Drop it!
Number 17, 1097.
Drop the gun!
Drop the gun!
Just keep it pointed in.
Drop the gun!
352, so you got traffic southbound, I'm okay. Get stop traffic southbound, I'm okay. Robert 5, have medical aid, respond stage.
Drop the gun!
Turn around.
Drop the gun!
Drop it, dude!
Drop the gun! Drop the gun!
Lincoln 5. Lincoln 5 taps with the launch. Robert, can you confirm status of Air 1?
Drop the gun!
Not bombed on.
Drop the gun!
Last location. Yes, mark.
Drop it!
Drop the gun!
Hey, Medrano!
Yes, market.
You're on point. Talk to him. Everybody else, shut up.
He'll be on Madison and Audrey.
Got a rifle? Got a rifle.
Order 17, expedite medical aid. All units coming up. Take cover.
Hey, my brother's on the plane over there.
Someone's in his wife's position. Someone's in a driver's seat.
Rifle.
The car's at the intersection. I'm looking.
Medrano, stay where you're at. Do not move. All right, you guys. The firearm is down right now. Let's take a breath. Madriz, watch the cover of your muzzle. Come on, bud. Put the firearm down. We do not want to hurt you.
Put your gun away.
Put the firearm down. We do not want to hurt you.
The car's up. Imagine it.
Hey, We're all hands on it. We're hands on.
My car's at East Cottonwood. I wasn't able to get on park.
Step to your right. You push up with it. Deep breath.
Metro 5, how do you shut down code?
All remaining units are now shut down code.
Come on, brother. Put the firearm down. We do not want to hurt you. Everything's going to be all right, man. I need you to put that gun down. You guys, we cannot let him make it into that store. He's already shot at us, correct?
He shot at me, sir.
Huh?
He shot at me.
All right, we already have a 998 on an officer. Do not let him get into that store. We cannot have a hostage situation.
Officers rendered medical aid to the suspect, and he was transported to an area hospital, where he later succumbed to his injuries. A firearm was recovered from the suspect.